Kaizer Chiefs and Bafana Bafana centre-back Russian Dudley is preparing for one of life's most exciting milestones, fatherhood. The 23-year-old defender and his partner Jody recently shared the news that they are expecting their first child together. The couple made the announcement on Instagram through a beautifully produced video that captures intimate moments of their journey. In the footage, Dudley and Atkins are seen walking hand in hand, with Jodie tenderly cradling her baby bump. The montage highlights touching interactions, including Dudley kissing his partner on the forehead, trailing her, and sharing a warm embrace. The video also features symbolic glimpses of the new edition, with Dudley holding a tiny pair of baby shoes and the couple showcasing a baby Onisi alongside an ultrasound image. It's a celebration of joy, anticipation, and the beginning of a new chapter for the young couple. The announcement drew an outpouring of love from Dudley's current and former teammates, as Will Reeds, Yusuf Mart, as well as fellow centre-backs Inacio Miguel and Aidan McCarthy, were among those congratulating the defender. Miguel humorously added, "Your congratulations to the fam. Please tell Ashley it's his time also," referring to fellow Chiefs forward Ashley Dupree and his partner. Other footballers, including Bruce Former, Brendan Peterson, and former Glamour Boys Kigan Buchanan, also took to social media to celebrate the news, sending warm wishes to Dudley and Atkins as they prepare for their little one. For Dudley, who has been sidelined since March due to a serious knee injury, this announcement marks a bright personal milestone amid his journey back to full fitness and form. Congratulations are in order to them. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.